Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Tony. Today we're looking at Maggie instant noodles. This is the curry flavour one. This is a pack of 4. I bought, they were on offer in Heron, so they were like 2 packs for £1. So I just got 4 packs. Maggie being one of those better brand of noodles, so I'm going to do some cooking of these. So let's take a look. I don't know if you remember my other Maggie noodle video, but it was a Roma's one and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now Maggie's, you know, are made by Nestle. So let's take a look at the ingredients on the back. Let the camera focus in, guys. Alright, make sure that suits you. You can microwave it, put it on the kettle, whatever. They're pretty easy and they're fast, and they're 2.5 minutes. So let's just see if it takes 2.5 minutes to cook. So let's open one up. Right. So what you got to do is just break these into block. They always come in like a block. I'm going to get round here and I'll knock my mic. Let's put 250 ml of cold water in there. All right. Then we'll get the curry sachet, chuck that in. All right. And I'll give it a quick stir. We'll boil that on for 2.5 minutes in the microwave. Alright, this is a 1000-watt microwave. Actually it's 900 watts, but we'll still put on for 2.5 minutes. Back in the tip, guys. Okay guys, so that's cooked. I'm just going to let it settle for a while and I'll be back in the tick. Looks nice anyway. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like cooked. I think I may have used a little bit too much water, so use 200 instead of 250 ml. Anyway, I'm using my chopsticks if I can get them. I'm going to try, but anyway, tastes real good. Really nice. The other Maggies that I did taste a hell of a lot better than this, but as basic noodles they're not bad at all. Taste nice. Noodles themselves, I mean, they are good stuff, Maggie. They are one of the better out there. But I thought I'd review that. I think I'd give it a 7 out of 10. I don't think they're overly great. I think they do taste chickeny. They do taste curry. They are better. When you look at other noodles out there, you know, stay clear from stuff like this, which actually are the same price. You're better off going for something like this, which is slightly smaller, but just tastes better. Anyway, thanks for watching my review. Appreciate you coming along, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.